you any document at all. So anything that you would previously email out individually, you can send it en masse to as many people as you need to. There is no limit as to how many, crew or people can be in this document distribution. It handles large numbers of people. So this is the little dashboard here. Okay, so we've got our little draft section in progress and sent. So you'd start off by creating a document, and that's pretty simple as literally pressing the plus button. And now we start creating our templates. So what you would do is you would do your description. So for this one, I'm just going to call it call sheet. I'd like to send out a call sheet to the team, let's say call sheet 55, day 55. You can also put passwords in, and it's so simple. You literally just upload the files direct from your computer. So if I just go into my computer, I'm going to upload the call sheet. I also want to upload some script sides, and I also want to upload a full script all in one. Okay, you can. And also you can see you can delete it. Then you've got this mimics the side of the message that would go out. So it's basically, your email subject lines would pop that in, and then you can put a little note of whatever information you want. You can specify, and you can actually personalize it. So if you want to put more details about, the shoot, call time, or whatever information you'd normally put in an email, you put in this section, and then you'd add in your signature. So then we can add in a signature. I'll just pop that in, and you can also format that as well. Now we've got a few other features like the watermarking. Watermarking is fantastic, adds another level of that security. So if you find that document lying around, who it belongs to. So you can either watermark it with their name and department, or just the name, or if you want some other special information on there as well. So I'm just going to do the recipient's name so you'll see how it comes out. And then basically you press next. Okay, so that's pretty much your email template. Then we get to the part of where we add in our groups. And this is where I was mentioning in contacts, if you've got a temporary recipient, as we call it just up here, would be someone who's coming on literally just for the day, and they don't need to have a contact created, and you just need to put in. You can put as many temporary recipients in as you like. So I'd start off with my groups, and I'd go here and press the plus, and then all the different groups come up. So you can just select the whole team, but it will show you who's in there. So you can also untick it at the same time. So, okay, I don't need Ollie to get that. I want to tick my call sheets. Yep, everyone there. Oh, actually, we won't need Mike to get that. We're going to do costume. So you can tick as many boxes and departments as you need, and it will show you who's in there as well. And if we have a look, okay, so we've got a few more people in there, and then we basically press save. Okay, so that will I'll just hide that box, and then we just press save. So what that's done now, it will show you in this screen who you've sent it to and how many people in that group. But if you want to expand it and also do another check, you can. You just expand it from here. So you can just do a quick check and go, yeah, that's got everyone in there. Or, let's have a look. We're going to add in some temporary recipients now. Simple. You just press the plus. You put the name in. So I'll just put my name in, and then I'm just going to put my email in there, and then press save. And then it'll list them all as well. So you'll have both views. You can see who's in, and you can see the temporary recipients. This also, when we press send, and I'll show you in the next step, it logs it also. Then you can see who it's been sent to. So it's so great that, like, basically you can check the management of it at any stage to see what's gone out, who it's gone out to. You don't have to worry about going through the emails and trying to find the email when it was sent. You can see exactly who it's gone to. And like I was saying, it's and anyone who accesses it will have that access. So if someone is sick in production, or whoever's responsible for it, you can hop on and you can have a look and go, okay, this was sent on a specific day. Yes, it was sent to Beata. Yes, it was sent to the camera people. And yep, there was all these people it was sent to. So once you've added that in, that's as simple as it is. You literally press save. Now that's going to store it in our drafts folder. Here we go. We've got a call sheet. If you need to edit it, you can just go back in and edit it. And if we're happy with it, we just tick it and press send. Okay, and then just checking. So we got that. Yes, we do want to send it. And now that's going to pop off in just 1 second. Let's just take a little sec. That's going to now go into my sent folder. Okay. So here we can see call sheet day 55 has been sent. It's date and time stamped as well. So we've got this feature here as well, where you can do a little drop down and you can have a look to show who's been received. And then eventually once they've received it, it'll actually have a little date and time stamp saying that they've received it. So you'll be able to check it that way. It's all integrated with TPH digital forms. So if you use both of them, it would be great. What happens as well is with the integration is if you have production assistants or your production secretary who are sending this out, will have the contacts created from the contracts, but they won't have access to the contracts themselves. So there is that also split division between the onboarding side and also the document distribution side.